Love is a powerful thing, and many people have their own definition of what love is. Many people wonder if animals are capable of love. If so, the following story should help convince them that cats can and do have the capacity to love each other. In 2014, Christina Viscusi adopted Sophie, and the two bonded really quickly. One day, Christina decided to take Sophie out for a walk. While they were walking, a neighbor noticed Sophie. Oh, this neighbor just so happened to be a Malay cat by the name of Scotty. You can see in this image that Scotty is smitten. But Sophie wasn't about to fall for some guy, so she played it cool. Playing hard to get only made Scotty more determined to win her over. Eventually, Sophie couldn't resist Scotty, and the two felines would go out on adventures together. It was true love. When Scotty sees Sophie sitting on the porch, he walks over, on the sidewalk. Chivalry isn't dead. Even Scotty knows what the ladies like. The two cats have been hanging out together and for years now, and there is no end in sight. Scotty and Sophie appear to have been made for each other. They reportedly bound around the neighborhood together, and other times will just sit on Sophie's porch and exchange what seem to be loving kisses. Scotty will wait patiently at the door for his love to come out.